Meaning of downhill.
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 Downhill. The word downhill refers to the direction of movement or slope that is pointing downwards. When someone says things are going downhill, they mean that the situation is getting worse or deteriorating. It is often used to describe a negative trend in someone's health, mental state, or circumstances. The result of going downhill can be detrimental and can cause further problems if not addressed promptly. In short, it means that things are getting worse and may continue to do so unless action is taken.